What about classes of goods? Where does that come into the whole trademark application process? I'm Angela Langlotz, and I'm going to spend the next 4 minutes answering that question. If you like this video, please share it and smash the like button. You'll see more of me. A lot of times I get people that call my office and they're very confused about this whole issue of trademark international classes. First, what is an international class? Well, the trademark office has classified the entire universe of goods and services into 45 different international classes. And every time we add an international class to a trademark application, we pay an additional filing fee. A lot of people are misinformed about whether or not goods that are in different classes can be related, or if goods that are in the same class can be different. And the answer in both cases is yes. So for example, like I said, the trademark office tries to group like goods and services with like goods and services, but sometimes they get that all mixed up. For example, toy ant farms, remember those from when you were a kid? Toy ant farms and battery-operated cookie presses are in the same international class. If you don't believe me, go look it up yourself. It's super weird. Those things have nothing whatever to do with each other, except they might be both found underneath the Christmas tree. I don't know. But for whatever reason, the trademark office decided to classify them together. I don't know why. Anyway, but they're not related to each other. And so, yes, you could absolutely use the same trademark on battery-operated cookie presses as toy ant farms, and there would be no consumer confusion, which is the real question that we're looking at. On the other hand, there are some goods that are in different international classes that are nonetheless considered related, I'm going to put that in air quotes, under the trademark laws, because consumers are used to seeing these things come from the same company, right? For example, Chanel produces sunglasses and cosmetics. Now, sunglasses, I forget what sunglasses, what class sunglasses are in, but they're in a different class from cosmetics, but those two types of goods are considered related goods under the trademark law because we're very used to seeing those come from the same company, and we're very used to walking into Chanel or Tom Ford or any other purveyor of luxury goods and seeing those same types of goods sold by the same company. So consider things like shoes and clothing and cosmetics and handbags and jewelry and what else? Shoes, I think I already said shoes, but those are all sold very commonly by the same company and even in the same little boutique. Therefore, in the mind of the consumer, those goods are related. So if you had a trademark, let's say, for sunglasses and somebody else already had that trademark for cosmetics, those trademarks would likely conflict because we're used to seeing as consumers the same goods come from the same source, okay? And remember, a trademark is a source identifier, and therefore it would confuse us if we were confronted with both of those types of goods with the same brand. So that's the difference between goods being related and goods being in the same international class. You don't have to have goods in the same international class to be conflicted out or confusingly similar, as we like to say here in trademark land. So, just be careful, watch that. It's more about consumer expectations than it is about how the trademark office has classified the goods and services. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to talk trademarks and copyrights. Find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. On YouTube, just go search Trademark Doctor, and you can drop any questions down below, and I will answer them in a future live video.